Welcome to our channel. While iCloud itself doesn't have a traditional incognito or private mode like web browsers, you can browse iCloud.com privately using your browser's incognito mode. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser on your computer, such as Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Step 2. Enable incognito or private browsing mode. In Chrome, press Ctrl-Shift-N, Windows, or Command-Shift-N, Mac. In Safari, select File and then New Private Window. In Firefox, press Ctrl-Shift-P. Step 3. A new incognito or private browser window will open. This mode doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data after you close the window. Step 4. In the incognito window, type iCloud.com in the address bar and press Enter. Step 5. Log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. Step 6. Once logged in, you can access your iCloud services such as Mail, Contacts, Photos, and iCloud Drive without the browser saving your login session permanently. Step 7. When you're finished using iCloud, simply close the incognito window. This will automatically sign you out and clear any session data. Step 8. Note that while incognito mode prevents your browser from saving history, it doesn't make your activity invisible to your internet service provider or the websites you visit. Step 9. For maximum privacy, consider using a VPN in addition to incognito mode when accessing sensitive information on iCloud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.